school launching program was organized on 28 March 2011 at Hotel Tuli Imperial. The program started with the lighting of the lamp, followed by the speech by Chairman. Parents, along with their children, came to the program where the demonstration was conducted on 3D learning. Podar School was inaugurated at 17th June 2011 when the chairman came and inaugurated the school premises. Independence Day was celebrated at Podar World School with great enthusiasm. The group of dance was presented by the students. The program proceeded with the singing of the songs expressing patriotism. Even the karate demo was mind-blowing. The auspicious festival of Janmashtami, the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna, was celebrated by the students and staff of Podar World School, during which they put up a performance depicting the life of Lord Krishna. All the boys and girls of standard 1st and 2nd came dressed up as Lord Krishna and Radha. Dahi Handi celebrated God's playful and mischievous side. The boys formed pyramid to reach the high-hanging pot of butter and broke it. The school was decorated with flowers and rangoli. The birthday of Dr. Sri Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day all across the country, and Podar World School also celebrated its first Teachers' Day on 5th September 2011, where the little students performed dance and plays for their teachers. For the students of 1st and 2nd, the school organized fancy dress competition on 6th September 2011, in which students participated and came dressed resembling different characters. The same competition was organized on 7th September for the students of 3rd to 6th class. Hindi is the mother language of our country. Podar World School celebrated Hindi Divas on 14th September 2011. Hindi recitation competition was organized in which students of class 1st to 6th participated in the competition, reciting many well-known Hindi poems, shlokas and dohas. We celebrated Joy of Giving Week by visiting old age home at Shanti Bhavan, where the students spent time with the old people. A cake was cut and it was a very memorable day for everyone. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated at Podar World School, where different preachings of Mahatma Gandhi were taught to the students. Plays based on Mahatma Gandhi was enacted by the students only and made the whole day more joyful. From 16th to 20th October, Podar World School celebrated Diwali week, in which different cultural events like solo song competition, diya decoration, Rangoli competition was held, and Diwali was celebrated by the students and staff of the school. Students showed their creativity by making beautiful rangolis on the floor and filling them with vibrant colors and decorating diyas with decorative materials. A cricket match was organized called Podar Premier League on 26th Feb. The students' parents at the premises of the school itself. There was great enthusiasm both among the players and the lookers. There were 4 teams of 4 houses respectively, and students and parents both had fun while scoring runs and chasing them. Morning was filled with all excitement and sporty spirit, and everyone went with high spirit in their heart. The school celebrated its annual sports day on 23rd December 2011. The program started with lighting of the lamp, followed by an impressive march past by the 4 houses. The names of the houses have been chosen keeping in mind the principles around which Gandhiji wanted people to lay the foundation of life. They are Satya, Ahimsa, Seva and Adarsh. Mummies and daddies also took part in the musical chair and 400-meter race. The celebration continued with grand display of cultural program which reflected variety of dances. It was followed by yoga. Next, a demo of karate by the high school boys displayed exemplary precision and daredevil. On 6th April 2011, traffic awareness program was conducted where the students were taken to NIT Traffic Park to educate them about traffic rules. Children along with their parents participated in the rally to make people aware about the traffic rules and safety. Children had lots of fun while they were in the park, making the whole event fun and learning. After the event, the prizes were given to the students for the best slogan competition. On March 5, 2012, a workshop on robotics was held in Podar World School, where teachers and students participated in the event. On 26 Jan 2012, Republic Day was celebrated where students hoisted the flag and performed solo as well as group dances. Students of the primary section performed dances enthusiastically on Desh Rangila, Vande Mataram and Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo. Chodo Kal Ki Baatein, the patriotic song, was sung by the choir group very nicely. Poddar World School Nagpur celebrated its first annual day functions on the 6th March 2012. The tiny tots of the school presented the fountain of talent by dancing on the tunes of Vakka Vakka, Indian classical dance performance illumining the stage. The Gujarati Garba dance was melodious and feet tapping. The Western swing was a stunning sequence of the various dance forms. A digital planetarium was set up in the premises of the Poddar School in the month of February. The objective of the show was to help students comprehend the most obvious observations in the sky, that is the moon and the pole star, in the real sky and real time. The Hitwada front page exhibition reached Poddar World School with excitement to show the history to the eyes of Hitwada. Well-chosen front pages were displayed to highlight the past events. Importance of reading newspapers was told to the students. A meditation camp was organized for the students in which they were told the importance of meditation in their lives. Activities are conducted in the computer labs, science labs and library so that the students can learn and improve their skills in the school itself. Poddar World School also have the in-house maths lab in which students can learn different experiments and understand maths in a better way.